Hello everyone, my name is JMLisondra, and today I'm going to show you on how I clean my acrylic painting palette. It is made of glass, and the first material we need is an isopropyl alcohol, okay, and palette knife, and also we need an tissue paper. So the first step, we need to pour the alcohol on the palette, and then we need to spread it to the entire area. And the better, we need to let it there for I think 2 minutes to 3 minutes, but I'm in a hurry so I need to scratch it now. Okay, so you just have to scratch it. You observe that the paint is now soft, and it is easier to scratch it out from the palette. And it's easy because my palette is made of glass, but it's still also usable when you use other palette, like some other materials. I don't know what. Some are paper, but still you can still scratch it. Okay, so that will be the process, and all you have to do is to get out all the paints from the palette. And then we need the tissue paper to clean the area, the palette. Okay, that's all. And yeah, it's just a very easy process, guys. And I hope you learn from this. And honestly, thank you for watching. This is a short demonstration on how to paint my palette, on how to clean my palette. I'm sorry. And okay, thank you so much, and God bless you all.